We just walked into Hilton Puchong because Chef Fadil is about to reveal a Malay dish he's never served to anyone. Not on the menu, not in the hotel, not anywhere in Malaysia.
Wow, looks amazing. And this is the best chef in Malaysia. We love him. He's taking amazing care of us here in Hilton. Amazing.
Okay, this one basic rice cake.
So he cooked for us. Let us know what is inside.
It's baked, it's better nice than baked potato plate.
Okay, let's try.
Okay.
So Danny is trying it right now.
I've never eaten something like that.
Yeah.
What is it?
Absolutely, I
This
can't
is
even
Fadil creation.
What is inside?
describe it.
This is Fadil creation.
Oh, this is the chef creation. He loves to create stuff like that. Okay. Look at that. It looks amazing, you guys. Look
Our
at that.
guest is Yawaritan guest. Okay, so from Manila. This
Oh, hello.
our return guest. Just to come.
This is amazing. Thank you so much for doing
Cheers.
it. Appreciate it.
But you didn't tell us what is inside.
Okay, this basically, this is rice cake. Okay, rice cake with saute with dry shrimp, peanut, chili, onion. Then the saute with milk.
So you mixed it
Yes,
and
cooking with, from the heart. Okay, after
Yes.
coming that.
Amazing.
it's amazing.
You try?
Impressed.
Try.
It's just amazing.
Double thumb.
Oh, they're funny.
Again.
The chef here in Hilton made us an amazing lunch today. And it's something with what kind of rice he said.
It's his creation.
So let me give it a try. I believe it's ginger and some herbs and chicken, and it's just amazing. I cannot tell you everything because he doesn't want to share with us, and I understand. Yes, it's a secret recipe, so I cannot tell you everything, but if you look at it, it looks just amazing. I see green pepper, some cilantro, and I also see some onion and garlic and so many flavors inside. It's just incredibly amazing.
And this is the friendliest chef we ever seen in our journey.
Exactly. The other day I had a cravings for mashed potato, and he saw us, he was like, what is missing here? What is missing? I said, oh, everything's good. And he said, what do you want? And I said, I want mashed potato. The next day he brought me mashed potato. So he's taking amazing care of us. Terima kasih. Oh, look at that. He brought us mashed potato today. So amazing.
The next day.
It's time for breakfast. Good morning. This is all the bread, and this is my chef. He's the most amazing guy ever.
How are you? Come to Malaysia, visit Malaysia.
So he's making all the naan breads now.
This one is making for the dosai. One of the
So what is this called?
dosai.
Kosei?
Correct.
Yeah, see how good I am.
One is on Indian crepe breakfast. Yeah.
Kosei.
Dosai.
Okay. Okay, I'll get me some eggs.
This morning, Chef Fadil hit us with another one-of-a-kind creation, but this time a dessert. And trust me, we were not ready for this.
Cheers. Oh, that looks interesting.
Right.
Thank you,
This
sir.
one, longan,
Thank you.
Bali, see. Wow.
What is it?
Longan, we have barley. We have
Oh, it's a
fish.
healthy soup.
Yeah, this one sweet, not soup. Okay, you taste first.
So that's your new specialties?
Yeah, fine. For you first, yeah, everything for you.
Aww. We just had the chef here coming and bringing us his new invention. And his new invention is some kind of sweet soup, which is for dessert. Inside there is a barley, grape, there is many things. Very healthy soup for you. The orange pink actually is turmeric, which is so healthy for your guts and for inflammation of your body. It's just a beautiful soup. And it smells like spices. The only negative thing of this soup is the sugar. If he makes it without the sugar, this soup is going to be a masterpiece. So if you come to Hilton here in Malaysia, ask them for this barley soup.
But the Hilton experience didn't stop there. Let me show you our room for the next month.
I want to show you the bed. King size bed. The desk for Mr. Daniel.
Oh, the
he
desk.
loves his desk.
Absolutely amazing.
And of course, I have my 2 pillows.
With one of the best mattresses in any hotel.
That's right. Oh, look, we have a letter from Hilton. It says, Dear Dan and Lina, welcome to Hilton Garden Inn in Puchong. We are honored to be welcome you as our Hilton Honored Diamond member. Yay!
Yeah!
Thank you, Hilton. I love it. It's a spacious room. We have a TV that we never use, but the view, who can beat that view? Oh, they welcome us with fireworks. Wherever we go, we always have fireworks. That is amazing.
Celebration.
Celebration. Yes, we're here in Puchong and we have fireworks. And the lake is in front of us.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, I like the fireworks. That's so nice. And tomorrow we're going to show you the pool.
And there's a gym also, right?
There is a gym. We'll show you the gym as well.
The rain started coming down hard, so we decided to skip going out and ordered dinner from Grub to enjoy right here in the room.
Yeah, we're gonna have a good dinner tonight.
Wow, it's amazing. We ordered from Lalizar some Turkish food today. Now let's unpack our dinner and see what we've ordered. The way how they packed it looked like a Christmas present. Okay, let's see what is inside. What do you think I ordered? Some bread, Mediterranean bread, Turkish bread.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. I don't know what is this. Okay. Oh, it's our baklava. 8 pieces of different type of baklava that we are going to be tasting and trying tonight. Okay, so we ordered some hummus, which looks so yummy. So we got some of their sauces. Oh, garlic sauce.
That's our favorite.
Oh, I'm so excited. And now let's see the main dish. Okay, let's see. And I love Mediterranean food, so yummy.
Oh, wow.
Looks so good.
The next day.
It's pool time. So let's go to the pool. How is the water? It's good, huh? Let me put my things away. What would you say about the weather?
Absolutely love it, guys. Yes.
thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and follow our journey around the world.